Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change screen refresh rate on Realme C67 device. Well, it's very easy, so watch this video till the end. First of all, please enter the settings menu on your device. And then here you can tap the display option. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down. And then you can select the screen refresh rate. And then here, there are two options, so you can choose to enable one of them. For the first option, it is set automatically but it can change to 90 Hz when needed. However, if you want to save more battery power, and then you can enable the second one. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the screen refresh rate on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.